For the best price, click the link in the description. If you're considering a compact refrigerator for your dorm room, tiny kitchen, or office space, chances are you've come across the Black+Decker BCRK25B compact refrigerator. But here's what surprised me when I dug into its features and customer reviews. Despite its small size, this fridge packs some impressive punch, and it just might be the answer to your storage prayers, \n. But before we dive in, let's face it. Compact refrigerators have a bit of a reputation problem. They're often too small, too noisy, or just plain flaky. Therefore, I was skeptical when I first laid eyes on this one, but after testing and researching the BCRK25B, I'm here to give you the lowdown, \n. But what exactly is the Black+Decker BCRK25B? In short, it's a 1.7 Cu ft compact fridge designed for small spaces. Therefore, if you're limited on square footage or just need something for your office desk, this could be your new best friend, \n. Deep dive \n. The Black+Decker BCRK25B has some serious credentials. It's Energy Star certified, which means it meets strict energy efficiency guidelines set by the U.S. Environmental Protection Agency. But here's the thing, despite its eco-friendliness, this fridge still packs a decent 1.7 Cu ft of storage space, \n. Now let's talk about the features that really caught my attention, \n. Adjustable thermostat. You can customize the temperature to your liking, so whether you need it chilly for drinks or just right for snacks, this fridge's got you covered, \n. 1.7 Cu ft capacity. This might not seem like a lot, but trust me, it's more than enough for storing a week's worth of essentials and some extra goodies, \n. Reversible door. This feature is a game changer for small spaces, as you can easily switch the door to open from either side, \n. Compact design. Measuring just 17.2 x 18.5 x 32 inches. This fridge won't take up much precious real estate in your tiny kitchen or office, \n. But here's where things get really interesting, \n. I was surprised to find that the Black+Decker BCRK25B has a surprisingly strong customer review profile, with an average rating of 4.25 stars on Amazon. It's clear this fridge is doing something right, \n. One reviewer raved about its amazing temperature control, and another praised its spacious interior. However, some users did mention that the fridge can be a bit noisy. So if you're a light sleeper, you might want to look elsewhere, \n. But don't let that scare you off with its impressive feature set and eco-friendly credentials. This fridge is still worth considering, \n. Resolution, \n. So what's the verdict on the Black+Decker BCRK25B? In short, it's a solid choice for anyone in need of a compact refrigerator, \n. While it may not have all the bells and whistles of its larger counterparts, this fridge more than makes up for it with its energy efficiency, adjustable thermostat, and reversible door, \n. If you're willing to take the plunge, I recommend giving this one a shot. Just be sure to read those reviews and weigh your options carefully. And remember, for the best price on Amazon, click the link in the description.